Hello friends, how are you doing? And in this video, we will fix Vivo X70 Pro or X70 Pro Plus ear speaker not working or calling or front speaker not working problem. So before you starting video, don't forget to subscribe and also press the bell icon for my latest videos. So to fix ear speaker or front speaker not working problem in Vivo X70 Pro or X70 Pro Plus, first of all you just need to go to settings. So first just tap on settings icon and follow every single step I am showing you in this video.